Hi there, I'm Alex Wilson. I'm a solutions architect at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and today I'd like to talk to you about our SimpliVity hyperconverged platform and how we ensure your data is protected. So in this example, we've got our federation, our single management zone with multiple different locations within that all know how to communicate with each other automatically, as well as how to send data between them in the most efficient way. This particular location, we have 2 nodes. That gives us a highly available configuration. So when we write a virtual machine, for example here, this could be our SQL virtual machine, we will write a complete copy of that virtual machine on another node within that cluster. That way, if for any reason there's an issue with this particular node, we can bring that data up automatically. We also have data protection and recovery capabilities built in as standard to our SimpliVity environment. So we can protect at a per virtual machine level our workloads running on that platform. So we can take a backup of a virtual machine, which gives us a completely full and independent backup, but does not store any data other than the changes. So taking a backup is a near instant operation, as is restoring that virtual machine if there's an issue. We can do that restore from within the hypervisor management, so from within vCenter in a VMware environment, or System Center Virtual Machine Manager within a Microsoft Hyper-V environment. And it is just a right-click recover operation to either recover that entire virtual machine or to recover files or folders from within that virtual machine. We also have the ability to send those backups to any other location within that SimpliVity federation. So down here we have another location. This could be a DR site, for example, with just a single node, but we have the ability to use that same backup technology to send a backup of that data over here as well. It will be in its most efficient form, so we will only send the data that's needed down here. Even if we already have similar virtual machines, we will just send the data that's missing to make up the view of this data for this particular virtual machine. We're always using our capacity efficiency technology throughout. So again, we have the ability to do a right-click restore operation down here, or we have the ability to build a complete disaster recovery plan using our software called RapidDR. This is licensed in packs of virtual machines for those virtual machines that we wish to protect, and it allows us to build a recovery plan to determine the order we want to bring up those virtual machines and make any changes like changing the network or changing the domain controller and services that we need to connect to before we can bring up those workloads. It gives us the ability to test that recovery capability before there's an issue. So bring everything up in a nice isolated environment. Or if there is an issue, we've got a single operation to then initiate that recovery and bring up all of those workloads, significantly simplifying recovery and reducing the time to recover that environment. So that's how we can protect those virtual machines against corruption, against malware, and we have the ability to recover those very easily, all driven by the virtualization administrator inside their hypervisor management tool. There's no separate environment required to manage that recovery. We also ensure that that data is protected at every level within that environment as well. So for example, if we lose a drive, there's no impact to the system, everything carries on running. In our larger storage configurations, we can even suffer 2 drive failures within a node without any impact to availability. We can have exactly the same happen across the entire environment. So if for any reason we're having a particularly bad day, an unlucky day, we can lose a drive in this node at the same time. We could lose another drive in that node. If we had more nodes within that cluster, we could tolerate drive failures in all of those nodes at the same time without any impact. If for any reason we suffer multiple failures or an entire node is offline for any reason, we will then use high availability technologies to automatically restart any virtual machines that were running on that failed node. Everything that was running on the rest of the environment continues to run as normal. So all of our data is protected. All of those backup points of our data are also protected. So if there is an issue or a failure, we still have all of those backups that we can always recover from as well. So within our SimpliVity environment, we have the ability to protect your data and recover that. But we can also integrate with other backup solutions if you need to send that data off to other devices or other locations, or have a different form of application integration. What we have also just recently announced is the ability to send those backups directly from our SimpliVity nodes to our Store Once backup device. So for example, down here, we can have our Store Once backup appliance, and we can send a copy of that backup data over here and store this for longer term retention. We even have the ability to then send that data on to our Store Once Cloud Bank service and store that data in the cloud as well. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I hope that's been useful. And if you'd like any more information on our SimpliVity hyperconverged platforms, please visit www.hpe.com/SimpliVity. Thank you.